because you know where nothing ever belongs. It usually goes on the front page. Is there a banana in here? I gotta go find a banana. Banana. Is there a banana? No, I don't see one. Bad boy, do you have any bananas? Purple.
There's 3 of them. The guys should be nearby.
Are you thirsty? No. Too bad. I am. That's it. And there's no play. Weirdos in the house. I just choked myself. I repeat, we are weirdos.
Look, your head looks big.
Because I'm closer to the freaking camera, Dumbo.
Nope, it still looks big. Nope. Don't blow in my face. Hey, that did feel good though, but still.
I wonder if we can set it up like this. I wonder. My hair's sticking up. Of course it is. Alyssa, do your dance. What would you dance? No. To the cha-cha slide. To the left. Now take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Don't you hop. One hop this time. Right foot, now stomp. Left foot, now stomp. Chaw the ground. Now take it back now, y'all. Chaw real smooth. That's how it works. To the left. Take it back.
Wrong
now.
side.
One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stomps. Left foot, 2 stomps.
Rough foot? I don't
Left foot, 2 stomps. Chaw the ground.
Cha 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 cha
Just
cha
kidding.
cha cha
Chaw
cha.
the ground is this. Chaw the ground.
What?
Chaw the ground.
It looks like you're riding a horse.
Up. Sideways. Sideways, sister. Sideways like this.
That still looks like you're riding a horse.
Giddy up, baby. Giddy up.
Now you get in there and do the cha cha slide.
If you can say it as worse as I am.
2 stops. I mean 2 stomps. 2 stops. Fall on the floor real slow. Cha cha cha